Hey guys, just doing a quick introduction on Compound Fitness rigging systems that we have. If you guys see here, this is a full set rig that you're gonna have 3 different cages in order for you to be able to perform your squats, bench press, and any exercise that you need. As you see here, this bay consists of having a 4-foot pull-up bar. This is a 1080. On the side, you'll be able to see here, this will be a pull-up bar that is longer, which is 1800. Having this distance allows you to have 2 squat bays right next to each other without the barbells colliding. As you guys see here, this upright is a 2.75. We also have a 3.5. So it's just 2 different heights that you can have for your rigging system. Our uprights all come with the thickness of 3 millimeters and it's 75 by 75. So something very heavy duty to be able to sustain all the usage from a commercial facility. We went above and beyond and we put the numbering so the person can have a very easy way to setting up the J hooks on one side and then setting it up on the other side. So you can change from different heights of athletes. For the 2.75 upright, it starts at 1 and it goes all the way up to 53. The circumference of each hole is for the 1-inch pin, which is 25 millimeters. We wanted to make all our racking modular and very functional. So everything on it, from the J hooks and to the bolts and screws and nuts, everything fits the 1 inch or 25 millimeters. That way you can swap and change and be able to move the pull-up bar, move the J hook anywhere that you like. The same thing for all of our accessories. They all fit 25 mil. Our uprights, we also went above and beyond with the powder coating. We do a 2 simple process in order for it to have something that is very durable, in order to not have easy scratches and to be able to sustain all the punishment from a commercial facility or a facility that gets a lot of usage. We designed and engineered our rigs in order for them to be bolted to the floor or for you to have it attached to a wall. As you see at the bottom piece, you're gonna have 3 different entrances in order to be able to have this attached to the floor. If you wanted this to be attached to the wall, you would just run one of these pull-up bars into a wall and do the exact same thing and have it bolted into the wall. Or you can have it as this rigging system. You can have it as freestanding, bolted into the floor for safety. As you see here, we want these to be very versatile. So it's very easy for you to attach something as like a landmine attachment. You bolt it in and you'll have it here. And this is the type of landmine that you can do all 360 degrees and have different exercises being performed. We have developed a lot and we're continuing to develop more and exciting accessories in order for you to work on your strength and conditioning. As you see here, this is our dip attachment, very secure, very easy. All you gotta do is just remove the pin and you'll be able to move this around, put it on a higher or lower position. On the 1800 pull-up bar, you'll see that we put a gusset in order to create more sustainability for the bar, in order for it not to bend, and if it does, it can flex back into position. As you guys can see here, on this rigging system, we have 2 different options. We have our 1080 bar, and then we have our 1800. We also have a 3rd option for facilities that are not as big, for the 1500, and it will still allow you to be able to perform your squats right next to each other without the bars colliding. This facility, we were able to put an 1800 bar on the center of it, creating a much larger space for the athletes to work out. This is also comes in an option of having a 1080, where the uprights will be sitting right next to each other or closer to each other. A really cool and exciting part of our rigging system is also our modular racking. As you guys can see here, the modular racking sits on an upright system that is leveled with all of our rigging systems. So you can use either the freestanding uprights or you can use the uprights from the racking system. As you guys can see, it's the same diameter of holes and the same dimensions for everything. This one is for kettlebells, as you guys can see, but you can have the option of kettlebell, wall ball, and for hex dumbbells.